Hey there guys, this is Chubby Coyote again. It's been a long time since I posted anything up. I am demonstrating my AR15 custom built. Built myself a couple months ago. Building a couple more. Got my lower receivers, got the lower parts being sent in. Just got to buy my upper receiver. But this is my first custom built AR. With the EOTech 552. Try shooting with the Picatinny rail. Went on. Didn't like it. Prefer being the low rider style. LNE 20 round mags. Dual clip on. 3 mags. 6 position stock. Vertical grip. Got some batteries underneath it for my EOTech. You can actually hide them right there, which is pretty kick-ass. This one I actually put in a pistol. You can see the pistol one. I put that one in myself. Just you see what I've done. All for less than $650, all on my own.